Okay, guys, according to YouTube, 53% of you aren't subscribed. Y'all know what to do when y'all come on here. Sorry, no, I'm joking, but hey, if you come on here to watch me, hit that subscribe for me. Anyways, enjoy the video. We're back. It's showtime. What is the show again? We're back with another video. Hold on, let's decrease this brightness because my eyeballs are shining in this. Alright. Wait, that's good enough. So, if y'all don't know, I know how to make origami. It's one of my favorite type of hobbies. So, I'm going to teach y'all how to make. Since Halloween is coming up and y'all want some, ideas to scare, your family and whatnot, I'm going to show y'all how to make a Halloween claw. Now, I made a ninja star. Y'all see how crispy? I need to buy more origami paper, but y'all see that? Look at that, bro. Look how crispy that is. It's crispy. But I'm gonna teach y'all how to make this. If y'all want to teach y'all how to make this, leave a like. Leave a like, and I'll force my dad to go. I'm gonna force my dad to take me to the store to go buy some origami. I have a whole bunch of origami in here. You feel me? This is an origami gun. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. I think I have 2 of them, but it's a transforming ninja star. I think this is one of my favorite type of transforming. One is on my wall. A picture that will be right up here. Yeah, one of it is on my wall. It's a big one. It's on my wall. So that one, it took I think that one took the most time because it was so big. But if y'all want to teach me how to make what's it called? Let me show y'all. If y'all want me to teach y'all how to make this and these transforming, leave a like. I need 10 likes, bro. 10 likes. 10 likes and I'll make these. 10 likes, I'll teach y'all how to make these. So, y'all, we're going to switch to the hand cam. It's only going to show my hands because, well, y'all need to see what I'm doing. So, we're going to switch to hand cam and let's get into this video. Yeah. Alright, y'all. Well, we're here in the hand cam, you feel me? The handy hand cam. So, this took too long to set up, but anyway, let's get started. First thing you want to do is take your edge paper, fold it into triangle. Want to line it up, ladies and gentlemen. Line it up. Some of y'all don't line it up. Want to line it up like this, like that. You feel me? Line it up. Line it up. Line it up.
I like to line up lines. Yours can be lined up with overfold or something like that, but
I advise you to line it up. And then crease. Use your thumb and your index finger to crease and apply pressure for, a sharp claw, because I've made some sharp claws. Usually when I do claws, I use printer paper because if you use printer paper, you can make a pretty sharp claw. So that's one of them. Believe it or not, I used to make these and give them at school. Because I would be bored. I would just be like, okay. Yeah. Then you want to do a double fold. Some people don't do a double fold. I do a double fold for better, results. Make it look cleaner. Now, once you have the double fold action, you can see the creases of the little X. You're going to fold, you open it up, and you can see there's little creases of the X right there. Now, you can fold it over again to make better, sharper creases. But yeah, you see that little X right there, that little X right there? That's gonna help us. So I'm gonna fold it here. Alright? On the right side. You're gonna fold from the right side. You're gonna take this side and fold it over there. You're gonna take the left side and fold it over. Right there. So let me do it again. Left side, right side over here. Take the top corner piece, fold it over. And there you should have something looking like this. Then you're gonna take these two corners and fold them into like this, into this. You're gonna fold them into that, into a triangle. And you have something like that. Next thing you're gonna know is fold this part with the triangles up. Let me show you again from this angle. You're gonna fold this part with the triangles up. You're gonna fold it up. It's gonna create a line crease right there that we need. So you're gonna fold it up. By the way, guys, I'm doing this completely backwards. Like I'm over here, and I'm trying to make it best for y'all experience. It's a lot confusing for me, but I know this fold by the back of my head. So, anyways, I got something looking like this. Kind of look like a paper boat, paper hat, but not. So this is next. This is crucial, because if you want the sharpest claw, like I said before, use printer paper if you want the sharpest claw. Now, for better creases in line, I would fold it in half. For, better creases and stuff. Fold it in half. Line it up. For sharp edge, line it up. Line it up, ladies and gentlemen, line it up. It should look something like this. Fold it in half, crease it with your index and left index finger and left thumb. Open it back up. You see that crease? You see that line crease right there? That's what I was going for. Next thing you know, line up all. First fold is going to go to the first crease. So you see the crease? First fold goes to the first crease. Make sure the top is sharp. Okay? What I do is put it's my left, your right. So you're going to take your right index finger and put it to the top. And line up your claw with the crease that you made. Okay? And it's going to look something like that. You're going to have something like that. And you're going to fold it over. You're going to fold it over. Still keeping the same shape of, the thing. Still keeping the same shape. Now it's in half. You went from that to half, okay? You're going to fold it over again. Alright? Let me go back. You're going to fold it to the middle crease. Then you're going to fold it over again to the half. And where's where you see half. You see that? That's half. The lighting's kind of bright. Hold on. Yeah, that's half. Okay? And you're going to fold again while keeping it straight. Like I said, when you use regular old paper, it dulls like this. It just dulls. Like, it's dull. It's not as sharp. It's still kind of pointy, but it's not as sharp as you want. Like I said, if you really want sharp ones, use the printer paper. Those will give you an injury. After that, you have something like this. something. Now, you can see this little, you know, flap here after you fold it. So when you fold it over, it has something look like this. Jesus. That is bright, bro. Oh, sorry. I changed the light. Okay. So, has something to do like that. You flip it over. Have this little flap here. Take this flap and you take the flap. You see this corner right here? You take the flap and you tuck it in and folds. Take the flip, tucked it in. It's tucked in, it's folded in. And you take your finger, you open up the hole that's right behind this triangle. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. You can make 10 of these and put it on all your fingers. You know, nice little Halloween scare prank. So, that is it, ladies and gentlemen. This is the claw. If you guys enjoyed this video, sorry. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give a like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, this is just a paper bomb. Anyways, I'll see y'all later. Peace.